Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. Many teams can deliver software fast but still struggle with bugs, poor quality, unclear requirement, and constant rework. Code breaks late, fixes take longer, and everyone feels frustrated. That is exactly where extreme programming or XP becomes powerful. In this video, let's understand the XP framework in the simplest way possible. Extreme Programming or XP is an agile software development framework focused on high quality software, fast feedback, strong teamwork, and continuous improvement. XP works especially well when requirements change often and when software quality really matters. In simple words, XP helps teams build software faster, with fewer defects and with much better collaboration. Now, why is it called extreme programming? It is called extreme because XP takes good software practices and pushes them to the extreme. If testing is good, XP says test all the time. If code reviews are useful, XP says review continuously. If customer feedback is important, XP says get feedback early and often. So XP doesn't invent new ideas, it simply does the right things very consistently. XP is built on 5 core values. First is communication, meaning team members talk openly and clearly every day. Second is simplicity, meaning build only what is needed right now, not what might be needed later. Third is feedback, meaning learn quickly from tests, users, and teammates. Fourth is courage, meaning make changes when needed, even if they feel uncomfortable. And fifth is respect, meaning trust and support each other as one team. These values guide daily behavior, not just coding. Let's now talk about the most important XP practices. One key practice is pair programming. Two developers work together on the same code at one machine. One person writes the code and the other reviews and thinks ahead. This improves code quality and spreads knowledge across the team. Another core practice is continuous integration. Developers merge their code frequently into shared main branch, automated builds, and test runs on every change. This way, problems are found early when they are small and easy to fix. XP also includes other powerful practices. Small releases mean delivering working software frequently instead of waiting for a big release. Simple design means keeping the design as simple as possible for current needs. Refactoring means improving the internal structure of the code without changing what the software does. And collective code ownership means anyone on the team can improve any part of the code so knowledge does not get stuck with one person. A big strength of XP is strong customer involvement. XP encourages close collaboration with the customer or business representative. The team gets quick answers, quick feedback, and clear priorities. This reduces misunderstanding and helps the team build the right product faster, not just build it fast. Many people ask about XP versus Scrum. Think of it this way. Scrum focuses more on team structure, planning, roles, and events. XP, on the other hand, focuses more on engineering excellence and technical practices. Scrum helps you manage the work. XP helps you build the software better. In real life, Scrum and XP work very well together, working hand in hand. So when should you use XP? Use XP when software quality is critical, requirements change frequently, fast feedback is needed, and reducing bugs and rework is a major goal. XP is especially powerful for product teams, delivering software continuously. To summarize, extreme programming is an agile framework that helps teams build better software through strong collaboration, fast feedback, and excellent engineering practices. Its biggest strengths include pair programming, test-driven development, continuous integration, refactoring, small releases, and close customer collaboration. If Scrum helps team organize work, XP helps team build software the right way. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more information on Agile and AI.